Unit 3, Lesson 4, Student Example Number 1C. The eventual goal in this question is to get x on its own. We want our eventual answer to be x equals something. The first step in doing that is to expand this monomial times a binomial here. The easiest way to do that is to turn that binomial into a fraction. So I'm just going to put it over 1. I'm going to leave the monomial well enough alone and put 2x plus 5 over 1 and have it all equal to negative 12 still. All I have here is my monomial in the front, the negative 3 over 5, times each of these terms, 2x over 1 and positive 5 over 1. Top times top, bottom times bottom. Negative 3 times 2x leaves me with a negative 6x. 5 times 1 gives me 5. Negative 3 times positive 5 gives me a negative 15. And 5 times 1 is 5, all equal to negative 12. I can reduce this fraction. And rewrite the first. Now negative 15 over 5. 15 divided by 5 is 3. So I can reduce that to negative 3 equals negative 12. I want to get x on its own, so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to add 3 to both sides. That will leave me with negative 6x over 5 equals negative 12 plus 3. That will leave me with negative 6x over 5 equals, and negative 12 plus 3 is a negative 9. Now I need to multiply both sides by 5. I'm going to go up here to continue my work. Negative 6x equals negative 9 times 5. Negative 9 times 5 comes out to negative 45. And then to get my final answer, to isolate x by itself, I'm going to divide both sides by negative 6, which will leave me with x equals negative 45 divided by negative 6, which will leave me with x equals, well, a negative divided by a negative will leave me with a positive. And 45 over 6 can be reduced to 15 over 2. And that is my final answer.